brothers.
Huh?
That's a little brother.
No, it's not. It's daddy.
It is?
Josh, Krista, did Joshua bring his? Is this his? Okay.
Is it his?
Yeah.
Wait, no, Hannah.
Oh,
Straight up at the top.
Yeah, start at the top.
Hold on.
I jacked the truck.
You better view. Okay.
No! Scared!
I'll do it.
Well, then you gotta start at the top.
I'm gonna do it too. There we go. I'm gonna sting it like a freaking.
Okay. Send it like this.
Ball!
It's either that or go backwards.
Just gonna sit.
Ready?
No, you gotta straight up.
You ought to go
top of the
backwards.
hill.
You gotta go backwards.
Ball!
You gotta sit like this way where your legs stick out this way.
You go first. You know, I was rolling.
Alright. Krista, come do this.
You wanted to, Hannah.
I'll catch you. Down there. No, Lord, I don't want you getting hurt.
I don't care.
There's this big around me.
They do.
I did too a long time ago.
Are you really? No.
Love your picture.
Sit backwards.
Sit backwards with your feet facing Christian.
Ball, I'll flip the ball.
I'll be down here with you. Okay.
It slid. Hannah's turn.
Sit.
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 Did all you come here together?
All right, now I'll catch you.
Ready? Lift up your feet.
Feet out.
Why was Hannah when it fell?
Wait, roll down the hill.
I know.
You know, was that scary?
Are you gonna fly?